Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by exposing the pin and protecting the cloth. Lay the garment on a towel and point a flashlight at the tag so you can see the locking head. Once you can clearly see the back, choose the correct tool: flathead for prying, pliers for gripping, or a strong magnet for magnetic locks, because using the right tool prevents tearing. Make sure to work on a stable surface and remove jewelry that could scratch metal. You want precise, controlled movements from the first action. You now focus on releasing the locking mechanism. For magnetic security tags, position a strong magnet over the lock and press firmly while wiggling. This disengages the internal catch. If the pin shank is exposed, grip it with needle nose pliers and apply steady, controlled twists while pulling outward. This eases the pin free without tearing fibers. For plastic caps, slide a small flathead under the seam and pry gently. Once the catch yields, the pieces separate. Make sure to move slowly to avoid sudden pulls that damage fabric. You finish by checking the hole and cleaning residue. Once the pin is out, trim any loose threads and realign the fabric edges so the weave sits naturally. This minimizes visibility. If the hole is small, use a few invisible stitches or a tiny fabric patch. If adhesive residue remains, dab with rubbing alcohol on a hidden spot first to test. If you find a dyed ink tag or something that resists removal, stop and contact the store or a professional tailor to avoid making the damage worse. This is your...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.